Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by updating your phone to the required modern system versions. Update an iPhone to iOS 13 or newer, or Android to Android 6 or newer. Install the latest Waze version from your App Store before connecting. Confirm your car supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or Bluetooth audio. Use a 1-meter USB-C or Lightning cable when the car requires a wired connection. Turn on Bluetooth 4.0 or newer and enable phone location permission set to always. Begin pairing by opening your car head unit Bluetooth menu and the phone settings. Choose the car name on your phone and confirm the PIN shown on both displays. If your car uses CarPlay or Android Auto, plug a 1-meter USB cable into the car USB port and accept prompts on the phone. Allow Waze to display while locked and grant microphone access for voice directions. Finally, choose Waze as the active navigation app on the head unit or phone. If Waze fails to connect, restart both your phone and the car head unit first. Rebooting often clears temporary Bluetooth or USB handshake problems quickly. Check that Waze location access is set to always and disable power saving or battery optimization on your phone. If audio fails, inspect audio source and select Bluetooth or CarPlay navigation sound explicitly. As a last resort, clear Waze cache or reinstall the app and repair using the 1-meter cable if required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.